little model. Albeit he can't keep his eyes off it, he's ready for a drive. But fantastic. Did a presentation about the back earlier, and the front's just so sweet. Styling is tremendous and it's absolutely solid. I like the little wing mirrors at the side as well. They were a good finishing touch. Fantastic. If you're going to get one of these, start with this one. I think it'll inspire to do the others. And like I say, I've got the GT Nissan drift car coming, so we'll have a look at that together. And spares for a small kit, there's a lot of spares there, which is really good. Spare set of wheel trims. One thing I would say, little ladle here comes with some hair, but if I put it on like this, oh, come on, let go. I don't know what that hair's come from, you know, down the black hole from the 1970s. It reminds me of Graham Souness in the 70s Liverpool side, but some of you might not remember him. He's a pundit now on television, but I think you can do better than that. Or maybe we're going to get a blonde mullet on the Nissan driver. We'll have a look. I think that'll stay in the spares bag. And we'll let him be the racer boy. So, we'll give him a go. Send him off. And join me again for some more videos.